In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer from Binance to Newton. Well, first, I want you to head to newton.co and then create an account. Well, you have to provide some basic information about yourself here to get verified. And most new users are verified instantly. Now we have to transfer our crypto from Binance. Well, transfer your crypto from Binance to your Newton wallet and make sure that you are using a supported network. So open your Binance application and follow these next steps. Log into your Binance app and then tap the wallets and then click the spot, then click the withdraw button. Now choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, and for example is BNB. Then tap on send via crypto network. And for this crypto network, we want to transfer it using Newton. So go back to your Newton and then initiate a transfer for the coin that you want to move to your Newton wallet, which is BNB. Now paste your Newton wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency that you want to move, which is the Binance. This is your destination address. Just paste it here in the address part of the Binance app. When you are prompted to select network for the transfer, ensure that you choose the network Newton supports for that coin. And please refer to the table in their site for the network that they support for a particular coin. For example, is the BNB. And complete the transfer. Just click the withdraw button and your funds should show up in your Newton wallet within a few minutes. And that's it. That's how you can transfer from Binance to Newton. And thank you for listening.